Welcome back, guys, to Marvel Engineer. I know it's quite been a very long time that I posted on this channel. I think it was when I was in, let's say, 300 level. I think that I posted last on this channel because it has been so hectic. At that time, actually, my laptop was not good, kind of hanging. I didn't actually have a very good phone to like just be editing. So and then I found out that actually that the channel is not that like profitable because I was like, okay, maybe when I find a job, I will just kind of be doing it as a side also. But actually now I've just kind of taken my mind off it. I've found something alternative I can do as a side also. So this will be more like just sharing my experiences, advice, tips, bringing in scholars to just share some advice, some experts, civil engineer experts, to just share some advice for you guys. So I hope the channel can go to that extent that you kind of just be so awesome, like to just have a community where we share advice, tips, bring in experts to just kind of share experiences. And then I've had many experiences actually. I've not been able to share my first internship experience, my 200 level experience, my 300 level experience, actually 400 level too. I'm currently doing my internship and it has been so awesome actually. So awesome. So I would like to document the journey and just share the experiences with you guys. I think I've had many plans of how to just maybe because it's something I really love actually. So after some time I was just thinking, I would love to just like share some experiences, share some tips, share some advice for you guys. So I'm currently doing my internship. I will document it and after I finish. Then you have a corps, more like a voluntary work for civil engineers. So kind of just go to villages and kind of just offer expertise and do some voluntary works. And then I'm going to my penultimate year. I would love to document the project that I will be doing in my penultimate year, some advice, reading advice, bringing scholars to like just share some advice for you guys. So though there's a lot of things to be shared actually. So just stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, like, and stay tuned. Thank you very much.